When I was a kid, we never stayed in one town longer than 3 years, which means new school, new faces, new enemies. Every time there was someone who would test me, push me, try and put me in a corner. And when you're small and you hear, don't mess with this guy, he did that, you start to believe it's true. You start building a story in your head that maybe he's stronger than me, that he's untouchable, that you must stay quiet. But it's just a story. And stories built on fear grow bigger than reality. Every time I stood up for myself, and there were plenty times, the story collapsed. Not because I was the biggest, but because I refused to shrink. Fear numbs you, it weakens you before anything even happens. And being inauthentic is the same thing. You shrink, you adjust, you try not to trigger anyone. But once you stand up for yourself, most of the fear disappears. Authentic isn't soft. It's deciding that the story in your head doesn't control you anymore. So stand up for yourself. Be firm, be a man, and you'll see how many strong things were just stories.